Hi friends, welcome to our channel The Crack Exams Vocabulary. In this video we are going to learn modals. And before we proceed further, I would like to request you all to subscribe our YouTube channel and like our Instagram page, and you can share our videos with your friends as well who are preparing for the entrance exams or any other exam, or even who are preparing for English grammar. So, friends, let's move towards the modals portion. Let's understand what are modals. Modals are the helping verbs used to give stress to the meaning of the sentence, and it is used to express the mood or attitude of a speaker. For example, you should regularly go for a morning walk. You can park the car in front of our home. So, friends, in this sentence, in the first sentence, the word should is a modal, and the should is used to give stress to the meaning कि आपको ये काम करना चाहिए. इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस यू कैन पार्क द कार, आप ये कार जो है यहाँ पार्क कर सकते हैं. तो सकते हैं वर्ड दैट इज कैन इज यूज हेयर इन दिस सेंटेंस एज अ modal. So first modal is used to. Used to is used to express routine, habit and addicted things. For example, he used to go to Delhi by car. So this was his habit. Whenever he goes to Delhi, he used to go by car. That means in this sentence I am telling the habit of my past or the addiction of my past, because the used to word is a past word. Second sentence, Priya used to work in office before marriage. So before marriage she was working in office. So in this sentence I have used the word used to tell my my routine that was of my past. In the third sentence, I am used to drive through crowded streets. See friends, I have used the word here helping verb that is am. Am is a present continuous helping verb. If you remember, we have done the tenses portion in which we have used is, am, are. So basically is, am, are used when we are talking about the present situation, present hobbies, present things. So if I have used present helping verb, then it is bit sure clear that I am talking about my present hobbies, I am talking about my present dictions, I am talking about the present routine. So in this sentence, if I am used to drive through crowded streets, so that means this is current my present routine that I am used to drive. मैं जाती हूँ through crowded streets. Second one is ought to. It is used when there is a strong sense of moral duty, advice or indication of correct action. Means आपको करना चाहिए, लेकिन ये एक मॉरल ड्यूटी है, हमारी ऑब्लिगेशन है कि हमारा एक नैतिक धर्म है. नैतिक धर्म इज समथिंग रिलेटेड टू आवर कंट्री, समथिंग रिलेटेड टू आवर ड्यूटी, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, समथिंग रिलेटेड टू आवर फैमिली, समथिंग रिलेटेड टू आवर जॉब and etc. So you ought to serve your motherland. We ought not to take fatty food. You ought not to speak with parents in this manner. So friends, one is ought to and the other one is ought not to. नहीं करना चाहिए. एक है ought to करना चाहिए, ought not to is नहीं करना चाहिए. So in second and third sentence we have used word ought not to. That means आपको ये काम नहीं करना चाहिए. This is not correct. This is not correct according to moral duties. This is not correct according to your humanity. So we should not do this thing. Third one is ought to have. That means it is used to show past action of duty that was not fulfilled or an option that was neglected in the past. That means पास्ट में होना चाहिए था लेकिन किसी कारणवश नहीं हो पाया, और जिसके कारण आज ये रिजल्ट जो है दिखा है. You ought to have taken care of your wife. It means आपको अपनी वाइफ का केयर करना चाहिए था लेकिन नहीं हो पाया. to we can say this is being suggested by some doctor to a husband that you ought to have taken care of your wife. So friends, just remember one more thing: if we have used have word after the modal, as we have used ought to have, so there we have to use verb, third form of verb. So if you see, I have used you ought to have taken. See, taken is third form of verb, care of your wife. Second, he ought not to have smoked in the bus. उसे नहीं करना चाहिए था लेकिन यहाँ पे उसने किया. तो not to have is just opposite to ought to have. ought to have में उसे करना चाहिए था लेकिन नहीं किया. ought not to have में उसे नहीं करना चाहिए था लेकिन उसने किया. तो we can say कि उसे, क्योंकि उसने ये काम किया है, that is not correct. सो उसे यहाँ पे फाइन हुआ है, और जिसकी वजह से somebody is saying, somebody is suggesting you ought not to have smoked in the bus. Fourth, have to. It is used to express compulsion. For example, I have to get up early in the morning. We have to complete the task by Monday morning. We have to submit it by Monday. So this is a kind of compulsion that I have to do this thing. This is 100% compulsion कि मुझे ये करना ही करना है. No if and no buts, no options, no choices, we can say. So I have to do this thing. I have to complete it. I have to complete the order. I have to submit the order. I have to go to meet my boss. Next one is must. It is used to express obligation or necessity, order of speaker, strong possibility. So, friend, there is a difference between have and must. Have to is like I have to do this thing. This is 100% compulsion. You have to, no if and but, no choice, no option. But must, in must there is a choice, there is an option. Like I am strongly suggesting you that you must do this thing, but final choice is yours, final option is yours, final call is yours. So it is your duty that you must do it or not. For example, the government already always suggests us you must follow all the traffic rules to avoid an accident. But do we do? But yes, we must do. I must finish the work by next Monday at any cost. So this is a kind of determination. She must be working in the office now. This is a kind of strong possibility that we are like giving possible options that she must be working there. She must be there, as there is 10 o'clock right now. So there she must be there in the office or in principal room. Next one is must have. It is used for a past action or situation indicating non-performance of action. Must have is friend same, लेकिन a bit of difference is there कि आपको करना चाहिए था लेकिन आपने नहीं किया. तो नहीं किया वाले ऑप्शन जो हैं मोडाल के साथ जब हैव आता है तब आते हैं. तो मस्ट हैव, you must have followed all the traffic rules, as I have discussed in most portions that government always give advice to us that you must follow all the traffic rules to avoid an accident. But like if no one pursue it, no one like accept the orders of the government, then what a person can do, what government can do, it's their choice. So here we can see the results. You must have followed all the traffic rules कि आपको करना चाहिए था लेकिन नहीं किया जिसकी वजह से ये हुआ. Next one is should. It is used to show duty, obligation or purpose, warning, advice or condition. You should stand by your brother. This is the general advice. This is a general like suggestion. In this should we use general advice and suggestion. You should stand by your brother. आपको अपने भाई के साथ होना चाहिए था. She should come on regular basis in the class. उसे रेगुलर बेसिस पे आना चाहिए. Walk carefully lest you should fail. So This is a combination of conjunction in which we have used the lest word with should. Walk carefully, lest you should fail. So lest is नहीं तो word है. ध्यान से चलो नहीं तो आप गिर सकते हो. Should have. It is used to express obligation in the past. So again, the work, the action that must be done in the past but have not done. So we are seeing that thing in like somebody is saying us in future should have. It is used to express obligation in the past. You should have stood by your brother. Like we suggested in the should portion that you should stand by your brother, but if the person did not, so that is the result in this should have portion. Next one is would. It is used for polite request, wish, possibility, and habitually. She told me that she would give me money. So that is future in past. I would like to play now. That is my wish. What would you like to have in dinner? He would. Uh, what would you like to have in dinner? So this is one sentence, and the other next sentence is he would go to Delhi by car. So this is his habit. Next, can. Used to show ability permission in a casual way. She can write English well. This road can be blocked. हो सकती है. तो हो सकता word is can. You can take my notes. Next is could. It is used to show ability in the past, permission, possibility, and polite request. The road could be blocked. See, friends, we have used the same sentence in the can portion and we are using the same sentence in the could portion, but there is a slight difference as it is used for less possibility and there is a large possibility that we have used in the can portion. I could swim across the river when I was young. So it is ability in the past. When you have some ability in the past and you didn't do it, so you can say I could swim the across the river when I was young. I wish I could help you. Next one is could have. It is used to show past activity that the action did not take place. Again, the past activities action did not completed. So the police could have arrested him, but he did not. The police could have arrested him. पुलिस को उसे अरेस्ट करना चाहिए था. May. Used to show the possibility, permission, wish for prayer, wish and for prayer purpose. For example, it may rain in evening. This evening. So this is again a possibility. हो सकती है. May I come in? So we generally use this sentence since our childhood, since when we were in schools, we used to take permissions by using the word may. So basically, it is used to take permission. May you live long. We always give blessings to others. So we generally says, may God bless you, may you live long, may you get a healthy life, etc. Might. Used to show permission and remote possibility. Might. So basically there's a slight difference between may and might. In may there is a large kind of possibility and in might there is a remote possibility, less possibility. Might I use your telephone? So this is like we are taking permission but in a hesitating way, as we take permission in may also, but that is not and that is not in a hesitant manner, but in might we use it in a slight hesitant manner. Might I use your telephone? Like कर सकता हूँ. Next one is the keys might be with the office assistant. So this is the remote possibility, might be, हो सकता है. So friends, these were the modals. I hope it will help you a lot. You can watch this video again and again to clear your doubts. And if you have any doubt, any suggestion, any thought, anything you want to ask, or any, like, you want to say anything about the other content, if you want any other content, you can write in the comment section. We will be happy to serve you. And friends, let's meet, we'll meet in the next video. Have a nice